and welcome back to the 8th episode of Wibbly Wobbly Woobly Dogs. Yeah, I'm sorry it took so long for me to actually record and post this one. What's happening? I'll try not to cough in this one. It's gonna be the only cough. I'll try. I really will. Okay, I've not been back here in a hot minute. Yup, and everything is going on today. Oh my god. Oh. Sweet mother of wibbly wobbly dogs. Oh yeah, I can just let the vacuum do its thing. What is wrong with you, Neutron? Why do you look like that? I don't. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's gonna be a lesson. I'm really trying here. I forgot you're blue. Smeesh. Why'd I name you Smeesh? Oh wait, isn't that the disappointment dog? Give me a second. I gotta keep my timer on my phone open so that I can know. Say, yo, child, Sir Bingus the 97th. Eat the banana. You want the banana? He wants a banana. Meow. Oh, it's Sippy! The disappointment! Wow! You're literally the worst dog we have. No, Sippy. Who was growling? You. Garrett the Blurt, you're stuck. Garrett the Blurt's also a bit of a disappointment. Random mutations, Chrysilla. Okay. Does this give us short body and tiny wings, so they will never be eating Pepticoli? You hear me? You can't eat anything with Pepticoli in it. Because I don't want tiny wings. I like big wings, big fat wings. Because. Okay. Oh my God, you're mad. Oh, I forgot you don't like being pet. Does this count as play? No. No, it doesn't. Oh, Bone Marrow is hungry. I don't really have anything to feed you guys. Oh man, you're starving. Oh no, please someone, could someone forcefully yank out one of their baby teeth? Please, I really need someone. Let's just clean up all. No! No! Oh man! Oh, I'm gonna need your thumb. I'm gonna need the thumbnail. I gotta get the thumbnail. I'm getting the thumbnail. No! Stop it! Just let go! Fine. One of that will be the thumbnail. Why are they pooping so much? Could you stop taking a shart everywhere? Could you stop being like, that was cringe. That was really cringe. I regret all my life decisions up until this point for doing that. Okay, I gotta give them a banana. Oh, both of them are hungry. That's a problem. That's a problem. Because Popicle over here, Popsicle, can actually die of hunger. This child is very hungry. Oh god, no, I meant Bone Marrow, come eat. Okay, you want some pet? There we go. I'm sorry, guys. I wish you guys would lose more baby teeth. Just. Oh! but no! Are you kidding me? I'm gonna cough out of sadness. I have no idea what's wrong with me. Oh, wait, gravestone. No! Oh, no! Oh, oh, Zack Attack. Whoa, Zack Attack and Trumpet? They need to, oh, no. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you Euclidean geometrying me? That is so infuriating. I can't believe that some of our DOGs are dying. Like, no, not the original. I mean, I knew they were going to die eventually. I just kind of didn't want it to happen. I don't really like this color scheme that much, but at least it's interesting. We can try to... Since I've played this game before, I know if I pick the two most different looking dogs, you get the weirdest mutations and the stability keeps going up. So you're gray and actually pretty ugly. I really need to cough. I'm gonna go stand over here for a bit and I'm gonna take a cough. I can't. It probably picked that up. Probably did. Why do I have part of my headphones taken off? That feels weird. I shouldn't do that anymore. I should have full focus on video games. Ooh, we getting a little orange. Dancing in my chair. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of orange. And we're getting a really tall dog. I don't know if I already have that achievement. Because I'll end this series when we get all the achievements. Just letting you guys know. I like you, and then I like you. Actually, no, we need a shorter one like this. Yeah! Keeping that stability going! Yeah! We're keeping that stability going down 64%! Why did I say it like that? Stop screaming! Okay. I don't know what these things are. A two-legged pupper would be nice. By the way, if you could send me your what? Huh, speak of the devil. They have 2 legs. Wait a minute, this is just like Wet Justice from Therm series. This is the exact Wet Justice's leg pattern. If you guys have ever watched Therm, which you definitely should, love that guy. He's my entire inspiration for my channel, but Wet Justice's leg pattern was exactly like this. Okay, we're getting really low, but oh my god, I love these poppers. Got a goofy little bunch of poopers. Oh, dude, I'm gonna get below. Okay, so you're getting a lot lighter in coloration. We're gonna get a tiny litter. No, we can breed below 0. Yep. Hey guys, you wanna hear this weird thing I can do with my voice? Pretty weird. Oh, here's our popper. Here's our Wet Justice inspired little dog. I don't know if you can stand. That's okay. Didn't need you to stand anyway, just needed you to be cool. This music is pretty good. Did we? Oh yeah, we lost someone, so we can actually put in our new pupper. Oh! Yeah, we have 2. I'll put in you. I'll incubate, Minecraft. There was a YouTuber that named their dog Minecraft. I don't know who, but, this dog is more Minecraft than your Minecraft. Oh yeah, I forgot you don't like that. Sleep. Man, you're forever angry. I hate that you're forever angry. Dog core time needs to go over here. Yeah, and you can always adjust names for our puppers. But I'll choose this one. This one will definitely beat Minecraft. Minecraft. Wait, Minecraft or Minraft? Wait, or Mintcraft? Wait, no, I did Minceraft or I don't know. I'll just do Minecraft. So here is our oh yeah, this, you look weird. Who is snoring like that? And do you have horns? Can you? Wait. No one's angry in here. Oh, Popsicle's angry. I mean, I guess I would be pretty angry if all I ate my entire life was baby teeth. I kind of want an egg. I'd like to breed Popsicle again, maybe, but I can really only care for one ghost guardian dog. Why do I keep calling them ghost guardian dogs? I'm sealing. Yes, I am sealing Siri the Pixel Biologist's idea. Great YouTuber, did a way too long Wobble Dog series. It's like 153 episodes. I don't know how that's even possible. I mean, every other Wobble Dog series is not that. Like Yub has a one-off. Oh, it was Slimesicle who did Minecraft. Yeah, it was Slimesicle. And it's also Slimesicle who had our original dog Slurf. I should start naming my day. Oh! Here's like, our friend here is more gray. That is quite interesting. I'm, open my phone again, because I keep forgetting to do stuff. Come on out, Smeesh. I hope you're a lot happier and not constantly angry. Hey, you're not angry! Smeesh is back. Oh, you got darker blue. Oh, man. Yeah, you're still cute. I'm not gonna pet you. Can you stop being so angry? Actually, I'm gonna check on bone marrows. You're not pure. That's the problem. He ain't pure. The only other YouTuber who has ever completed the feat of... Oh, he's not in here. Who's ever completed the feat of a Servingus is a YouTuber who did it on their first episode. Instead of what I did. I don't actually know what episode I did mine on. Oh crap! Shoot! Dang it! I'm just JD and Williams guy. Crap! Shoot! Dang it! I drove our car off of the cliff. I'm sorry. We're all gonna die. It's my recreation of that's my recreation of that guy. Clean. We got a weird cast of characters here. I'm literally probably talking to literally no one. Like, I don't think many people are gonna hear this. Oh, and also I keep forgetting, subscribe, please. Could you do smash that sub button? The button that says sub on your... Oh, you got more white. Neat. Obviously, that does random mutations. Everyone knows that. Oh, capsule. Thank you, guys. I really love when you give me capsules. You got me a fake log. My teeth feel weird. They really do feel weird. Oh my god, my teeth feel weird. Oh, that's weird. Oh, my teeth. Come on, are you kidding me? Bro, what is it with this game? I want to build over. Does it need me to do this? Okay, yeah, it clearly does. Anyway, graveyard. Gravestones. Ooh. Please stop screaming. I know your father screams a lot, but that doesn't mean you need to. Oh! No! Oh no! No! Sack attack! Oh no! Oh, I'm so sorry, buddy. Here's some last bets. Yeah. I just said that. No! 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 Trumpet! Trumpet, my boy! Trumpet! We're incubating our next dog. No! That's 3 deaths in 1 episode. Wait! You guys cannot touch these. These are pure. You cannot touch these. These are valuable to the people, to the dogs over there. They need to eat that. Okay, I guess you two can mutate. Neutron, proton. Man, I really have to work on conserving my eggs like the YouTubers do. I don't know how they have like 3 or 5 eggs at one point. How do you do that? How? How do your dogs okay, we need a valuable name. Not Sippy, we already have you're not a disappointment. How about we name you? What's the opposite of justice? What if we name you Dry Evil? Yeah. Yup. Dry Evil. Totally how you spell that. Welcome to the team, Dry Evil. Why was that the name I decided? Okay, Minecraft. It's mining and oh my god. He went full Shrek. You should be our new. This dog, the title of this video is "This Dog Has Turned into Shrek." Yeah. Yep, and let's just hatch up our neutron here. Right after this, I think I might end our video. Come on out, neutron. Yep, you look good. Anyway, guys, that's it. That is the end of our glory time. Give me a second. Okay. That's the end of our glorious video. Goodbye. Sorry I haven't posted in so long. Bye-bye.